for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, compass, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, fog lights, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, HD radio, overhead console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.